Hello everybody, welcome to the channel, Man Mick here. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video.
The new 368G model comes in 3 color options: Mecha Gray High Edition, Pearl White High Edition, and Goldstone Green High Edition. The 368 cubic centimeters engine has a high compression ratio of 11.8 to 1, which can achieve a power output of 28.5 kilowatts and 40 Nm with low fuel consumption. The front and rear vacuum steel wire spoke rims, spin-formed rims, and side-pull spoke layout make the overall rims lighter, tougher, and more impact-resistant. The front shock absorber has adjustable functions of restoring damping and compression damping, and the rear shock absorber has adjustable functions of restoring damping and preload, which can be freely adjusted according to personal settings. The front inverted shock absorber with a diameter of 41 mm adopts a lightweight design to reduce the unsprung mass and improve the handling performance of the vehicle. The rear shock absorber adopts an external gas cylinder to effectively filter small bumps on the road, while providing stronger support and more comfortable riding. Spanish Competition J1 opposed 4-piston radial calipers, combined with enlarged disc brakes, ensure stable emergency braking and short braking distance, effectively improving braking efficiency. The 17.5L large capacity fuel tank allows you to enjoy long motorcycle trips without worries. The wide-surface water-cooled radiator is a powerful aid that enables the high-performance engine to fully exert its power, prevents the water temperature from exceeding the limit, and makes low-temperature starting smoother. The 3.0 generation keyless control system supports CAN communication and real-time communication with ECU, instruments, etc. It is equipped with 4G, GPS, and Bluetooth functions. Shengsure Smart app has vehicle management functions, including remote control of the vehicle, reading vehicle data, authorizing others to use the vehicle, recording driving tracks, and remote upgrades. The new generation of app integrates instrument projection navigation, OTA, DVR viewing, playback, and downloading functions, making your travel more convenient. The 8-inch fully virtual high-definition and high-brightness TFT full-color LCD IPS screen instrument has a large size and large interface, and the vehicle information is clear at a glance. 4 sets of theme interfaces can be selected at will. It supports simultaneous connection of mobile phones and Bluetooth headsets and helmets. It has practical functions such as screen projection navigation, tire pressure monitoring, automatic adjustment of display brightness, real-time monitoring of vehicle data and vehicle faults, etc. Front/rear dual-camera driving recorder, 128G storage, equipped with Sony Starlight night vision sensor, 1080p HD image quality, 140 degrees wide angle, f1.8 large aperture, allowing you to fully enjoy the fun of modern technology. The energy-saving/sports dual modes can be switched with one button on the button handle. When emergency overtaking is required in the fuel-saving mode, the engine speed will be increased to 7,000 RPM, and it will automatically switch to the sports mode. The tire pressure monitoring system will effectively prevent tire blowouts and protect your travel. When the tire pressure is abnormal, the front and rear wheels will be locked slowly to bring you to a stop, and a warning will flash on the instrument interface. The 5-speed adjustable windshield can meet the needs of different riders. The windshield is widened and raised to direct the oncoming wind to the top of the head and all around. Sharp headlights have low light decay and long life, making night driving safer. The 4 LED lens modules have gentle light tones, strong penetration. The one-piece stainless steel guard bar adopts electrolytic polishing process. The steering handlebars can be adjusted in 2 positions, forwards and backwards. The sofa-grade seat cushion with lumbar support is spacious and comfortable. Dual-channel fast-charging USB interface, equipped with 3 Type A plus Type C dual-port. The vehicle comes standard with heated handlebars and handguards for comfort in harsher conditions. The brake handle has a parking function, making temporary parking on slopes safer. Aluminum alloy standing footrest provides strong support for standing riding. The large-capacity rear storage box can store 2XXL full-face helmets, protective gear, and small items at the same time. The underbelly guard plate is suitable for various road sections. The hollow design does not affect the heat dissipation, can effectively block the flying small stones, and protect the engine and fuel tank. Bosch electronic fuel injection system makes riding safer and more reliable. Traction control system can monitor the operating status of the vehicle's front and rear wheels in real time, ensuring that the vehicle is more stable and prevents skidding. The dual-channel ABS system allows the driver to control the vehicle calmly when encountering emergencies.
Well, that's the full specifications of the new Zontes 368G model, which has just been released in China and takes a few months to filter to Europe. I hope you enjoyed this AI presentation of this new scooter by Madmic. Take care and please subscribe and hit the bell notification so you don't miss out on all the new videos. Bye for now.